Let's draw a magical rainbow unicorn and learn colors. First, purple, red, purple, red, blue, pink, brown, orange, yellow, brown, green, blue. Let's start. Hello everyone, welcome to Asma's Kids Color, the channel where you can learn how to draw, paint and create amazing artwork. My name is Asma and I love to share my passion for drawing with you. Whether you are a beginner or an expert, you will find something amazing and exciting to do on this channel. So grab your pencil, brushes and colors and let's get started. Zoo coloring time. First I use pink color. It's pink color. Pink. Pink. Kids, it's pink color. Magical unicorn. Sky blue color. Sky blue. SKY sky. BLUE blue. It's sky blue color. Orange. Orange color. ORANGE. Orange. Light pink. It's light pink color. LIGHT. Light PINK. Pink. Light pink color. The magical unicorn is so cute. Red color. RED. Red. Red color. Green. 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 Yellow. YELLOW. Yellow color. Dark blue. DRAK. Dark. BLUE. Blue. Dark blue color. So that's all for today, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Asma Kids Colors, where we learn how to draw a magical unicorn. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe my channel for more fun and educational videos. And remember, you can always color your dreams. See you next time. Bye bye.